From time to time, we get a car turn up that is just a shocker, and this is that car. So I posted a little video about this Fiesta, this little petrol Fiesta that we'd had delivered. It's a customer's car, broke down en route, so we just said drop it down to us. Let me take a look at it. Let's see if we can spot what the issue is. And this is what I posted over on TikTok and said to people, just have a guess, see if you can diagnose the fault. We've got it here. I'm going to stick it on the ramps and we're going to figure it out, but it's probably pretty obvious what's going to be up with this one. Look, we've got to do something about it. We cannot leave it like it is. It's actually a car that a customer bought. It broke down on the way down to him and I redirected the car to us. In fact, we had to get it recovered. We had to send our recovery driver out to get the car and get it back here so we could take a look at it. But just you take a peek at this and see what you think. What is up with this car? Can you tell me in the comment section below what you think is the fault with this car? Have a guess if you don't know. It could be a number of things, but just take a look at it and tell me what you think is up with this car and what you would do to fix it. Or would you fix it? Would you not bother? Because sometimes you just get one of those cars turn up and you think to yourself, this is going to be too much like hard work. And this one, in this case, could be that car. Right, let's get this started. Get it onto the ramps and see if we can see what is going on. Come on. Don't want to start, come on. Oh. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Damn thing. It wasn't a problem starting before, but now, come on. You can feel it wants to go. Come on. Ah, the battery's going to go dead if I ain't careful. Come on. Come on. Turn over, come on. Come on. Don't want to go. Don't want to go. I can hear a lot of noise. That corner system's going to be no good. There's oil in there and it's not overfilled. Come on. Doesn't look contaminated, it looks okay inside. Right, I'm going to need a jump pack because that battery is going to be struggling. Let's have a look. Come on. Come on. Come on, you want to go? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. He's trying to get there. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. It's getting there, come on. Yeah, come on. We're there. That doesn't sound good. Oh, listen to that. Oh, oh, oh. Ah. Look at that. That is going to take years off me, that. Oh. This car is in a bad way. Jesus, look at that. We've got coolant on the floor, so we've definitely got a leak, but there's a lot more issues than that, isn't there? And look at that in here. I better get the doors open. And remember guys, I do have the 100 Club, and you may be looking for something to do in the new year. We're going into a lockdown right after Christmas, aren't we? So there are things on the horizon that may affect you, and selling cars is a nice way to earn some extra money, but doing it right is the main thing, isn't it? Let's try and make sure we don't get too many screams, or that we look after the customer correctly. And if we work together, we can then buy good cars, sell good cars, and all make a little bit of money. Check out flippingcars.co.uk/training, and why not get on board? Do not wait until the new year. It may be too late to join. Get on before we hit 2021. I wish you all a good Christmas. I hope you are safe and well, and let's hope we all avoid the dreaded corona. So I'm going to go and get this up on the ramps now. We'll have a look at it and see what the actual story is with this car. Tell me in the comment section below what you think the fault is. Let's dig a little bit deeper. Let's see if we can find out what the hell is going on. Is it worth fixing? Is it fit for the scrapyard? Who knows? Who cares? Tell me below. Make sure you like and subscribe as well whilst you're here, so you can find out what happens in the next episode of the Smokey car.